Today I'm going to show you how to change the language in Pixlr quickly and easily, whether you're on the dashboard homepage or already inside a project. This is a really useful setting if you want Pixlr to feel more comfortable to use, or if you need to switch the interface to a different language for your workflow. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. If you're on the Pixlr dashboard homepage, the first thing you want to do is look to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Once the panel appears, look for the language drop-down menu. This is where Pixlr lets you choose the interface language. Click the drop-down, then select the language you want from the list. As soon as you choose it, the interface updates instantly, so you don't have to refresh anything or restart the app. It's that simple. Now, if you're already working inside a project, the steps are slightly different, but still very easy. At the top of the screen, click Edit. From that menu, select Preferences. Then look for Language inside the Preferences options. Once you open it, choose your preferred language, and Pixlr will switch the interface right away. This is the best method if you're already editing an image and don't want to go back to the dashboard. So just to recap, if you're on the homepage, use the gear icon in the top right corner, then open the language drop-down in Settings. If you're inside a project, go to Edit, then Preferences, then Language. Both methods do the same thing, they just depend on where you are in Pixlr. If your language doesn't seem to change immediately, double-check that you selected the correct option and that you're in the right area of the app. In most cases, Pixlr updates instantly, so it should be a very smooth process. This is one of those small settings that can make a big difference in your editing experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our next Pixlr and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.